Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashioniksha. Make a block of cap sleeves. So you can see both the cap sleeves are one side only, so both are a right side hand cap sleeves. So I made it at 2. So once this block is ready, so take a block, one block, and from this the sleeve amount, like sleeve cap or sleeve amount, it's 8.5. So mark the center, that is 4.25. So mark 4.25. So from this point mark 1 inches towards center of the sleeves, that is 1 inches towards center of the sleeves. And once this mark is done, open the sleeves and from the center of the sleeves mark half an inches towards back side of the sleeve. This is the front side and this is the back side. Once this marking is done, from the midpoint or the center of the sleeves mark half inches towards the back. So then after this is done, curve, take the other block. So one block, flip it on and keep another block on top of this. Both the blocks, make sure to match the center of the sleeves properly. Once this being cut this, once this is done, reverse one, flip it towards it, keep on top of the sleeves layer marking. So I can see now the open sleeve pattern of a petal sleeves. This is the open look and the closed look. Make sure the pattern are kept according to the grain line and mark accordingly. Complete the pattern. Mark the 8th bottom, mark half an inches, another panel, half an inches, in the panel, the marking is done, cut it accordingly. This is how the panel looks, and once the cutting is done, mark the center. It is important to mark center point. After cutting, cut 2 pieces for each panel. So one is for lining. I'm using the same fabric here as a lining, but you can use either different fabrics or contrast fabric according to the requirements. Once this is done, stitch the sleeve bottom layer of the panel. So stitch give a notches, flip it. After ironing, this is how it looks. I just made the notches. So this is the mark what we marked as center one. That is what is the mark. So both sides it has got. You can see at the center which we marked it. So on this center, now the petal sleeves is ready to join the front open layer.